Hi, good morning.
Morning, pre.
Ay,
Kumakanta ka ba?
ayaw. Di gaano.
Kumakanta ka?
Konti lang.
Sample naman dyan.
Sige,
Sampulan
sige.
mo naman, pre.
Um,
Ano ba mga nakakanta mo?
Tagalog or English?
Kahit ano. Saan ka masaya?
I'm gonna ask my listeners.
Sige.
Any suggestion for my next song? Yeah, Jason.
What?
You haven't slept or you just woke up?
Hmm?
You haven't slept or you just woke up?
I haven't sleep pa. Di pa ako natutulog.
Why not?
Cause...
You've been
Tira yung
partying?
balik na ako. Hmm?
You've been partying outside?
No. Sira badikla ako.
Nah,
Yes. May...
hirap niyan.
Okay. Nahihirapan ako ibalik.
Paano yun? May pasukan.
Oo nga eh. Diyan ako mahirapan mag-adjust.
College ka na?
Yes.
E di October pa.
July yata kami. July.
Okay. Hello? Yellow? Blue lang alam kong kanta eh. Blue. Not yellow. Yun lang. Ang daming comments. Ang bilis. Ito na lang. Alam mo tong song? Oh. Hold on guys. Okay. Tay. And I wish that you would come right now, so that I could get you to you somehow. But it can't be safe to say, safely say that all I hear is raindrops falling on the rooftop. Oh baby, tell me why you have to go. 'Cause this pain I feel it won't go away. And today I'm officially missing you. I thought that from this heartache I could escape, but I fought it long enough to know there ain't no way. And today I'm officially missing you. Ooh, can't nobody do me like you. So I've learned to, hey baby, stay on my mind that I'm officially missing you. All I do always lay around to ease what it tears from looking at your face in the wall. But Jeju, no, I don't even know you at all. I don't know you at all. What I wish that you would come right now, so that I could get to time somehow. But again, it's safe to safe to say that I'm officially missing you. Can't nobody do it like you. Said everything you do. Hey baby, stays on my mind. That I'm officially missing you. Can't nobody do it like you. Said everything you do. Hey baby, stays on my mind. That I'm officially
Ganda ng boses mo, pre.
Thank you.
Angas.
Well,
Ganda, ganda, ganda.
di ko na, alo! Grabe. Yeah, isa pa? Last? Okay lang. Or
Ako?
gusto mo na umalis?
Mag-end na ako eh.
Ayaw mo na ng last? Mapaldo ako sa'yo eh. Ay-
Aldo. Aldo ka pala. Commission naman yun, oh.
Sige, isa pa.
Mag-end ako siguro ako, pre.
So, sige na pala. Good night na.
Thank you,
Happy
thank you.
sleep.
Ganda ng boses mo, ah. Thank you.
Thank you.